Ganda rito.
Mas maganda kasi sa gate 1.
High-tech ang paradahan dito sa Riyadh Gallery. Yan o. Pagka kulay green ang ilaw, makikita mo walang nakaparada, bakante. Pero pag naka-red meron, nakaparking na. Kaya kita mo pagka wala pang nakaparada, diyan ka lang titingin sa ilaw. High-tech. Green color, wala pang nakaparking. Pag red color, may nakaparking na. Pasok tayo sa loob. Tawakal na. Tawakal na. Marami din mga bilihan, oh. Relo. Marami din mga outlet. Kaya tayo sa taas, tropa. Ayan, oh. Riyadh Gallery. Ganda rito, oh. Ah, may fountain pala rito eh. Marami ring mga makikita rito sa loob. Maganda, malaki. Iya. Yung fountain, maluwang pala to, no?
Maluwag to, meron pa sa
Maluwang, itong Red Gallery.
dito del Panda.
Ito. Narito pa sa harap yung panda. Wala mong maintenance dyan.
Ang total cinema.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you
Sinihan nata doon sa taas, palaro ng bata. Oh. Iya. May kulay-kulay. At tayo dito sa taas, katropa. May mga rides pala dito ng mga bata, mga kids. Yan o. May train. Naikot pala yan Ganda na kulay ng ilaw, nag-iba-iba. May McDonald's. Food court pala to. Dito tayo sa Red Gallery, katropa, dito sa last floor na to. May mga rides ng mga bata yan, tapos food court. Pasal-pasal tayo rito para na rin sa Maynila. Plus yung pinakatulay dito, may ilaw. Tapos doon ay food court. Center Point. Maluwang tong gallery na to. Stay tayo sa school ito. Tapos yan, katropa, luwang. May ibang outlet. Riyadh Gallery sa Riyadh. Pasyal ng pasyal. Ano ba yan? Restaurant? Ah, kapihan pala yan eh. Kapihan pala to. Ah, may gold na dahon.
Paligil pa nga ako dito dati. Diyan na ako naman.
Gawa dyan sa fountain.
Tapos ko naman si Coco. May picture dyan dati. Lapitan natin.
Water dancing sa Riyadh Gallery. Tambay-tambay. Bali itong gilid niya kapihan. May papaya dito sa Red Gallery.
Hinog na.
Hinog na. Pwede nang pitasin yan. May bulaklak pa. Ganda rito. Tupa ata yan eh. Kulay gold. Merry na Christmas. Yan, katropa, dito na tayo ulit sa parking area. Uuwi na tayo sa Burayda. Thank you, thank you. See you next vlog. God bless.